Hey, what's up everybody? Gene with Dent Repair Now, back with another video for you. On this one, a little bit of a, call it a PSA or a little bit of an educational piece for you. So we've got this 2022 Hyundai Genesis in with some damage in the quarter panel. Now the customer originally submitted just some photos, but photos don't always tell the whole story. So the original estimate or the original quote over the phone was a 5 to 6 inch dent through a body line in an area with bad access, so we were going to use some glue pulling. So I think that was around like 560 to 760 was the range that was quoted over the phone. When the car came in, right upon a close in-person inspection, we saw a couple of red flags go up. The first was that the edge of the quarter panel was pushed inside of the bumper, which is an indicator to us that there may be a little bit of structural damage. Two, the very edge of this panel is double paneled. So the inner panel comes and just sandwiches right with the outer panel, leaving no room at all for us to get any tools inside, which makes our repair more difficult. With that, we got the car in the shop and we said we need to do a little bit of exploratory teardown to see what we were up against. When we did that, inside here is your inner wheelhouse. There's actually a little bit of kinking and buckling inside of there. That is starting to get beyond what we can do paintlessly in the shop, and he started to flirt with, hey, maybe you need a body shop. I'm going to bring you over and show you all of that damage. First red flag we saw, see how the bumper is sitting proud or this way off of that quarter panel? That should be sitting flush, just like here. So that was an indicator that we may have some structural damage. So you can see we've got a little bit of impact into the inner structure here. There's a little bit of a kink in the middle right here. And then inside, this pinch is not supposed to be there. And this buckle right here is not supposed to be in here. So there is not just damage from the outside, but all of this inside material is damaged as well. So this would be a typical photo that we would get, right? If we sort of still frame that right there, that is the story, or that's the photo that we're making that photo estimate off of, right? And it just does not show that this edge is in, it doesn't show how kinked this is here, and certainly it doesn't show that inner structure. If we could fix this, this is not a $500 or $600 repair. This is a repair that would be north of $2,000. We have elected to not do the repair because we can't make a good, solid, full repair on this car, and really a traditional body shop would be the right repair method for this piece in this case. So anyways, I wanted to show you all of this just to show you that sometimes pictures don't tell the whole story. And when we are here, we always do a proper and thorough inspection before we start on your repairs. We want to make sure that your car is fixed to the best of our ability, and more importantly, put back together safely for you and your family. If you have any damage or anything like this, we always do free assessments. You can find us on the web at dentrepairnow.com or give us a call or text at the number below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.